thick rubber. Almost similar to a hockey puck, but a little softer. These are designed to protect your pinch weld, which is here, because a lot of new cars, they don't have a full frame. This is your jack point. They made it a little bit thicker. So most of us have a jack like this. This pad will go on the jack when you go to jack it up. But once you're done jacking it up, where are you going to put your stand at? Because you've seen the jack point on the pinch weld. Well, this is where this comes in. You'll be able to put this on. This goes on pretty nice. It's actually pretty tight on this stand. And then it will still protect anywhere where you put it on that pinch weld. So we line it up. Bring your jack up. Make sure you're in there, which I am. Right there. And then jack it up. The nice thing about it being rubber, it's spread around the thicker part of the pinch weld. So jack stands. This one's technically designed for a pinch weld. This one is not. So this cradles in real nice on this one. Just like that. Looking good. But like I said, metal on metal, that's why we used the puck on the jack itself. This one here still can protect, and it goes right on top like that. Now let's take the stand and put it underneath, and I'm going to actually lower the jack just in case you needed to jack up both sides of the vehicle with one jack. Stand here, lift it up, it's in the groove. Now we'll bring our jack down all the way, because that the pinch point, or the jack point, this vehicle is a little wider. It kind of stuck up there. Let's see, there you go. And it protects the thinner part of the pinch weld. Let's check out the puck. Alright, the puck came right off pretty easy. I am digging this product. See how it kind of wraps and cradles it? Because if it's metal on metal, it would crush. Alright, so I jacked it back up to check out how this looks. And let's see. It did not damage it. Now it did take some of the rhino lining off. See the rhino lining? But as far as that goes, it didn't crush it or ruin it or anything. Sweet. We'll try the pad on the pinch weld jack here. Get that on there. Get this in position. Alright, we'll let her down. Oh, look at that. It worked out great with the pinch weld stand also. If you want to jack your car up properly, this for $14 is definitely worth the money, hands down. See ya.